If you don't know how to sell, first off, it's going to be a much more expensive process overall for your business because the most expensive employees you should have should be your salespeople. Because if there's not new revenue coming in the door, you don't have a business. So essentially, turning off your sales force is essentially like slowing down your own heart of your body. If blood can't get around, your body ain't going to work. So if you don't have the ability, you need to get someone in there who can, and they are expensive. A good salesperson and a good sales manager should be expensive. Just we're talking at least 50%. So very expensive. As a result, it's going to be more profitable for you in the long run to find a good sales coach, find a trainer who can do that. For me personally, around here, his name was Dan Hudock. He's part of Sandler. That's a franchise that is a sales training franchise. And they taught me, first off, I already knew I was doing things wrong. I could just see that from living it. But they taught me kind of the science behind why it was wrong and really how to do things correctly. And I mean, it took 3 years to kind of really truly eliminate all of my bad habits and implement good habits. That's what I would recommend is just accept the fact that you're going to spend a lot of money on a good sales team and learn how to do it yourself to build your own sales team. Because if you're living through the mindset of how much is it going to cost to make money, you're going to ultimately mess yourself up anyway. A good sales team should ultimately be constantly pushing the rest of your company to grow to be able to keep up with them. And when you get to the point that you're not able, that you're easily maintaining your sales team, either A, you must be a very mature business that is in a very stable environment like Ford, or you're not, your sales team has slowed down and you need to grow your sales team and or improve it in some capacity. So